Most people think spelling improves by memorizing difficult words, so they write long lists. They repeat the same spelling again and again, and for a while, it feels useful. But when they actually start writing, the same problem comes back. They stop. They doubt the word. They ask, "Is this spelling right?" If this happens to you, don't worry. You are not bad at English. You are just practicing spelling in the wrong way, because spelling is not only memory, it is pattern, attention, and repeated use. The first habit is to stop learning words randomly. English spelling can look confusing, but many words belong to families. Light, night, right, fight. They all end with "ite." So instead of memorizing 4 separate words, your brain learns one pattern. Start looking for word families: station, nation, relation. Slowly, your brain starts seeing spelling as patterns, not random letters. The second habit is to read like a detective. Most people read only for meaning, but if you want better spelling, slow down. Look at the shape of the word. Notice silent letters. Notice double letters. Notice endings. For example, tomorrow has double R. Because has cause inside it. Wednesday has letters you may not hear clearly. When you notice these details again and again, your brain stores them naturally. Reading becomes spelling practice. The third habit is to write words by hand. Typing is fast, but handwriting makes your brain focus. Choose 5 words you often spell wrong. Write each word 3 times. Then, cover the word and write it again without looking. After that, check it. Do not only say, "I made a mistake." Ask, "Where exactly did I make the mistake? Did you miss one letter? Did you add an extra letter? Did you confuse the ending?" When you understand the mistake, you fix it faster. The fourth habit is to break long words into small parts. Many learners see a long word and panic, but long words are not one big problem. They are small pieces joined together. Beautiful becomes beautiful. Vegetable becomes végétable. Important becomes important. Separate the word. Say the parts slowly. Then write it again. This makes the word easier for your eyes, mouth, and memory. The fifth habit is to create your personal mistake list. Do not copy random spelling lists from the internet. Your spelling problems are personal. Maybe you confuse there and there. Maybe you spell definitely wrong. Maybe you forget silent letters. Write your common mistakes in one place. Review them every day for 5 minutes. Just 5 focused minutes. The words you misspell most are the words you need to practice most. The final habit is to use autocorrect as a teacher. Autocorrect is helpful, but if it fixes everything for you, your brain never learns. Whenever autocorrect changes a word, pause for 1 second. Look at the correct spelling. Ask yourself, what did I miss? A silent letter? A double letter? A wrong ending? This small pause turns correction into practice. Good spelling does not happen overnight. It improves slowly, word by word, mistake by mistake, pattern by pattern. So starting today, read carefully. Notice spelling families. Write difficult words by hand. Break long words into parts. Keep your own mistake list. And learn from every correction. Because spelling is not about being perfect. It is about training your brain to recognize words clearly. One day, you will write a word that used to confuse you. And this time, you will not stop. You will not doubt yourself. You will spell it correctly and keep writing. That is how real spelling improvement begins.